For this recipe, we are going to start with a 1.5 cups of cauliflower, or 1 cup if you're going to be using beans, 1/2 cup of spinach, 1/2 cup of white beans, 2 large pitted dates, 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 2 packets of instant espresso. You can use decaf if you'd like. 1 tablespoon of ground flax, 1 teaspoon of chia, and 1.5 cups of plant-based milk. Of course, any milk of choice, and then keep in mind that you may need to use more or less depending on any number of factors. Go ahead and blend it. And make sure you taste it to see if you like the level of sweetness. You may need to add more sweeteners. I don't recommend using banana for this particular recipe, but maple syrup, more dates are great. Pour to the line and freeze for 24 hours. I like to make double the recipe and enjoy it as a smoothie. You'll want to do it on light setting for your Ninja Creami, and then for a mix-in, add in a teaspoon of cacao nibs. There you have it. This recipe is very easy and similar to my other recipe. Let me know what you think and leave a comment on other recipes you'd like to see next time. Bye!